So I want you to imagine this. You're scrolling through YouTube and you're watching creators with thousands and millions of views, and you're like, man, how did they get there? They have subscribers and they got the views, and most importantly, they're making big money doing it. But here's the kicker. You're sitting on the sidelines with the exact same opportunity right in front of you, but it feels like you just can't crack the code. Well, what if I told you that literally right now is the best time to start a YouTube channel? Because right now, YouTube is exploding and there's all these new tools and technology coming out that are making it easier than ever to grow a YouTube channel. But here's the catch. Most people aren't willing to put themselves out there and actually take the leap. They overthink, they wait, and they miss the opportunity that is literally right in front of them. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why there has never been a better time to start on YouTube. And by the end of this video, I hope that you feel inspired to not just go out there and create content, but to actually turn YouTube into a business. So let's get into it. One of the reasons that so many people hesitate to get started on YouTube is that they feel that it's oversaturated or there's way too much competition. Well, the truth is there's a lot of noise on YouTube. There's a lot of people putting in 10, 20, 30% effort, and it makes it feel like the platform is oversaturated. But the truth is anybody can gain traction on YouTube if they put in the effort. You know, even the crowded niches like YouTube education or fitness or gaming, all of these niches still have opportunity. A new creator can post a video today and get views if it is good content. YouTube doesn't discriminate against the small channels. They essentially look for good content that the people want. And if you are the one creating that good content that people want, then YouTube will promote it. You know, just thinking about it from the niche that I'm in, there's a ton of creators with big teams, big budgets, big fancy elaborate camera setups, but there's still an opportunity for me to grow an audience and share my unique skill set with a different audience or from a different perspective than some of those bigger creators. Because let's be honest, a lot of people can't relate to those big creators, and those people that have been building audiences for 10 years in that niche didn't come up the same way that small creators like myself are coming up today. So when it comes to creating relatable content, I can relate to that smaller creator better than some of those bigger creators. Now, here's something else that is really cool. Right now, there is more tools and opportunities to create amazing content than there has literally ever been before, because there are so many tools that make video editing and AI tools that make fixing the lighting of your videos and writing scripts and all this kind of stuff that has made it so much easier to create really nice looking videos. I mean, think about it. In the past, in order to create amazing looking thumbnails, for example, you had to be a really good graphic designer or create crappy thumbnails, one or the other, right? Well, now simple tools like Canva have made it incredibly easy to create high quality thumbnails. And you can think of almost every phase of YouTube that way, right? Scripting videos with the help of AI has made creating outlines and video scripts so much easier. Editing videos and cutting out dead air with tools like Timebolt or Descript. And then adding effects and fixing lighting and adding effects with simple tools like CapCut. Guys, this is an incredible time to be a creator on YouTube because it's never been easier to create. And it isn't just the big YouTubers with the big fancy budgets and big fancy equipment that can now create high quality content for the platform. Now, the other thing that I want you to think about right now is what type of content is taking over the internet right now, right? It's video everywhere, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you name it, video is where it's at. And there's one major advantage to YouTube, and that is the variety of formats that it allows you to create on the platform, right? So you're not stuck creating 1-minute videos, right? You can do that and you can master short form, but you can also create long form content. You can create podcasts, you can create live streams, right? So with the variety of tools that YouTube offers, you have multiple ways to grow a channel and make a lot of money doing it. And I've said this time and time again on this channel, but YouTube is also one of the best platforms to monetize because of the way the content is presented, right? For example, my channel, I do a lot of long form content that really helps people, right? It's educational based content. Well, that makes it really easy easy to monetize on the back end by promoting different tools that I use as an affiliate, or selling digital products or online courses or workshops and things like that, because the longer form content easily transitions into selling that kind of stuff. So not only is it a great platform to get started on, but it's also one of the best platforms to get started on and to actually start making money from it by selling those types of things. I even got a video on this channel where one video generated me $3,000 in course sales. And this wasn't some viral crazy video, right? It was just a video that got about 20,000 views. And I've replicated that multiple times across multiple videos and digital products. And guys, you can do that too. I have tons of videos on this channel that show you how to do that. And guys, one of the beautiful things about creating a YouTube channel and selling products like that is that it is so much easier to sell things to people when you have trust and authority with people, right? And when you're following a creator that you're watching a 10-minute video of, and then you watch another one and another one and another one, the level of trust you gain with that person is so much different than all the other platforms out there, right? If I'm reading an article, I can only imagine the person that's writing it, right? And it just doesn't feel like that relatable connection that you have when someone's on screen, like on YouTube. And especially when somebody is teaching me something on YouTube and I'm getting a ton of value out of it, it makes it so much easier to make a purchasing decision, right? It makes it easy to buy their course or their book if I'm getting a lot of value from their channel, right? And I really just love that unique feel that YouTube provides when you create content on the platform, because it's so much easier to monetize your audience. And guys, there is literally so many people right now earning a full-time income on the platform. And the industry is actually on a rise, guys. More and more people are coming to the YouTube platform for a variety of reasons, right? It's not just a how-to tutorial site anymore, right? People are coming there for their entertainment. People are coming there for TV. People are still coming there for their educational content. So YouTube is exploding, and that is what's making it an amazing time to jump on YouTube. And what I love about what YouTube is doing is it's constantly expanding and growing with industry changes, right? So many platforms come and go, but YouTube has stood the test of time because it's always evolving and adapting to the trends, right? When short form content blew up, YouTube didn't sit in the background and say, no, that's just a fad. They looked at it and said, okay, this is an opportunity for us to improve our platform, right? They brought podcasts into the platform. They brought live streaming into the platform. Now they have the community on the platform, right? So they're always adapting and changing. And that's what I love about YouTube. They're not sitting in the background, becoming an outdated software that people are eventually going to fade away from. They're staying current, they're staying relevant and improving the platform to make creators like me and you successful so they can be successful. But guys, if you want to be successful on YouTube, you have to put in the work to upload the videos. So in this next video, I actually want to show you how to consistently create good content that can help you blow up your channel fast, even if you're just getting started. So I'll see you in that video.